Welcome to this comprehensive video on Worldcoin, a cryptocurrency project that aims to provide a global digital identity for everyone. In this video, we will explore the core concepts of Worldcoin, how it works, its benefits, and the potential risks associated with it. So let's dive right in with what is Worldcoin. Worldcoin is a project that aims to create a global digital identity system for everyone on the planet. The project uses iris scans as a form of biometric identification, which is a very secure way to identify yourself. To get a Worldcoin digital identity, you need to scan your iris using an orb, which is a biometric verification device. Once your iris has been scanned, you will receive a reward in the form of WLD tokens. WLD tokens are a cryptocurrency that can be used to purchase goods and services on the Worldcoin platform. The incentive for participating in Worldcoin is that you will receive a reward in the form of WLD tokens. The amount of WLD tokens that you receive will depend on a number of factors, including your location and the number of people who have already participated in the project. For example, if you are the first person in your city to participate in Worldcoin, you may receive a larger reward than someone who participates later. The exact amount of the reward is not yet known, but it is expected to be significant. The Worldcoin project is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to make a big difference in the way that we identify ourselves online and in person. By using iris scans, Worldcoin can offer a more secure and inclusive approach to digital identity. Worldcoin offers several potential benefits that could have a profound impact on various aspects of society. Firstly, the creation of a global digital identity could help bring financial services and other essential opportunities to those who have traditionally been excluded from the system. Additionally, Worldcoin's biometric approach could significantly reduce fraud and cybercrime, as it provides a more robust and secure method of identification. Moreover, the project proposes a novel way to distribute wealth, potentially benefiting individuals in need. While Worldcoin's vision of providing a global digital identity and distributing wealth through its cryptocurrency, WLD, is undeniably ambitious and promising, it also comes with inherent risks and concerns that require careful consideration. Chief among these concerns is the issue of privacy. The collection and storage of biometric data, particularly iris scans, raises valid questions about the potential misuse and unauthorized access to such sensitive information. As biometric data is inherently unique to each individual, the security and safeguarding of this data become of utmost importance to prevent identity theft and unauthorized tracking of individuals' movements and activities. Additionally, the lack of clarity surrounding the project's regulatory framework poses regulatory risks that could impact its long-term viability. The intersection of emerging technologies, such as biometrics and cryptocurrencies, with the legal and regulatory landscape is complex and constantly evolving. The uncertainty regarding how Worldcoin will navigate and comply with various regulatory requirements in different jurisdictions raises concerns about the project's legitimacy and ability to sustain itself in the face of potential regulatory challenges. Furthermore, the concept of wealth distribution through the issuance of WLD tokens raises questions about fairness and equitable distribution. While the project aims to provide a means of distributing wealth to individuals, the mechanism by which this distribution occurs and how it will be managed is not entirely clear. This lack of transparency may lead to apprehensions among potential users and stakeholders, as the potential for concentration of wealth or misuse of the distribution system may emerge. To ensure the project's success and widespread acceptance, Worldcoin must address these risks proactively. Implementing robust privacy measures to protect users' biometric data and being transparent about data usage and storage practices are imperative. Additionally, collaborating with regulatory authorities to establish clear guidelines and compliance procedures can foster trust and legitimacy for the project. Moreover, Worldcoin needs to communicate effectively with its community, addressing concerns and providing clarity on how wealth distribution will occur fairly and responsibly. Establishing governance structures that involve community input and decision-making can also contribute to building trust and inclusivity within the ecosystem. Now you know the pros and cons of Worldcoin. Let's delve into the practical aspects of using the Worldcoin app and how individuals can get started with the verification process to obtain their World ID and claim their free WLD coins. Getting started with Worldcoin is as easy as downloading the Worldcoin app, a user-friendly application designed to facilitate participation in the project. The app is readily available for download on both the App Store and Google Play with the name World App, Worldcoin Wallet, ensuring compatibility with Android and iOS devices. This multi-platform accessibility allows a wide range of users to engage with the project without any device-related restrictions. However, it's essential to note that due to regulatory considerations in the United States, individuals and firms residing in the USA might encounter limitations. As of the time of this video, Worldcoin has not yet obtained the necessary regulatory approvals to be accessible to users from the USA. This restriction is an important measure to ensure compliance with U.S. regulations and to avoid any potential legal complexities. How to find an orb. Once the Worldcoin app is installed, the next step is to locate an orb, the crucial biometric verification device required for the identification process. Orbs are strategically placed in various regions around the world to encourage global participation and promote inclusivity within the project. The placement of orbs in different locations is a deliberate effort by Worldcoin to ensure that individuals from diverse regions can conveniently access the verification process. By making orbs accessible in various areas, Worldcoin aims to offer equal opportunities for participation, regardless of geographic location. Finding an orb is a straightforward process. The Worldcoin app plays a pivotal role in facilitating this step, as it provides users with a map showcasing the nearest orb locations. By utilizing the map feature, individuals can quickly identify the closest orb to their location. Alternatively, for comprehensive information about orb locations, users can visit the Worldcoin website, where detailed information about the geographic distribution of orbs is available. While this system makes orb locations easily accessible to most users worldwide, it's crucial to understand that regulatory considerations and local laws in specific regions might also affect orb availability. Local regulations may influence the distribution of orbs in certain areas, which is another reason why continuous updates and communication with the Worldcoin team are essential for prospective participants. Once you have found an orb, it's time to initiate the verification process to obtain your unique World ID. The orb employs state-of-the-art iris scanning technology to verify that you are a real human being, ensuring the accuracy and reliability of the identification process. During the verification, your iris scan data is encrypted and securely stored. This ensures that your sensitive biometric information is safeguarded from unauthorized access and potential misuse. The creation of your World ID is a pivotal moment as it marks your entry into the Worldcoin ecosystem. After successfully completing the verification process and obtaining your World ID, you become eligible to claim your free WLD coin. To do this, simply access the Worldcoin app and navigate to the designated section where you can click on the Claim WLD button. Upon clicking the button, the WLD tokens are transferred to your digital wallet. It is essential to note that the number of WLD tokens received as a reward for the verification process may vary based on the project's distribution model. However, receiving any amount of WLD as a reward for participation represents a tangible step towards realizing Worldcoin's vision of global digital identity and wealth distribution. As with any system that deals with sensitive data, Worldcoin must address privacy concerns effectively to gain widespread acceptance and trust among its potential users. The project's use of biometric identification through iris scans introduces unique privacy considerations that necessitate careful attention and mitigation strategies. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin has expressed valid concerns about the potential privacy implications of Worldcoin's biometric identification approach in his recent blog post in July 2023. With continuous iris scans, there is a possibility of tracking people's movements and activities, which could raise ethical questions about surveillance and individual freedoms. Worldcoin must be transparent about how the collected biometric data will be used and assure users that their data will only be utilized for its intended purpose, which is to provide a secure digital identity and facilitate wealth distribution. To ensure ethical use of biometric data, Worldcoin should consider adopting privacy-preserving technologies. For instance, implementing techniques like secure multi-party computation or zero-knowledge proofs can allow verification without disclosing the raw biometric data itself, thereby reducing privacy risks associated with data storage and sharing. In addition to concerns raised by Buterin, other potential privacy risks are associated with the storage and security of biometric data. Biometric information, once collected, must be stored securely to prevent the risk of hacking or unauthorized access. A breach of this sensitive data could have severe consequences, such as identity theft or misuse of personal information. To mitigate these risks, Worldcoin must implement robust security measures and adhere to industry best practices in data protection. Utilizing advanced encryption methods, multi-factor authentication, and regular security audits are essential steps to safeguard biometric data from unauthorized access. Furthermore, implementing a clear data retention policy can help ensure that biometric data is not stored indefinitely, minimizing the risk of prolonged exposure to potential security breaches. Transparency and informed user consent are fundamental in addressing privacy concerns. Worldcoin should be explicit in informing users about the purpose, scope, and usage of the collected biometric data. Providing clear, concise, and accessible privacy policies and terms of service can empower users to make informed decisions about their participation in the project. Additionally, Worldcoin should establish an ongoing channel of communication with its community to address privacy-related questions and provide regular updates on data handling practices and security measures. Another critical aspect of addressing privacy concerns is ensuring compliance with relevant data protection laws and regulations in various jurisdictions. Different countries have specific laws governing the collection, storage, and use of biometric data, and Worldcoin must navigate these legal complexities to build trust and legitimacy. Collaborating with legal experts and data protection authorities will be essential in understanding and adhering to regional requirements. By adopting a privacy-by-design approach and incorporating privacy principles into the project's foundation, Worldcoin can demonstrate its commitment to responsible data management. In conclusion, Worldcoin represents an ambitious initiative that seeks to provide a global digital identity and distribute wealth through the use of biometric iris scans and its cryptocurrency, WLD. The project's potential benefits in terms of financial inclusion and enhanced security are promising. However, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges and risks that come with such a groundbreaking concept. Privacy concerns, regulatory complexities, and the need for responsible wealth distribution are critical aspects that demand careful consideration. As individuals, investors, and members of the global community, we must remain informed, engaged, and critical when evaluating projects like Worldcoin. Responsible participation in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space involves staying vigilant, asking questions, and advocating for transparency and ethical practices. As the world of technology continues to evolve, we have the power to shape its trajectory and impact. By promoting dialogue, raising awareness, and fostering responsible innovation, we can collectively contribute to a future where technology serves as a force for positive change. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore Worldcoin and its potential implications for the world of digital identity and wealth distribution. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with others who may also find it thought-provoking. As always, we appreciate your support and engagement. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content on the latest advancements in technology, cryptocurrencies, and the exciting world of blockchain. Let's continue to embrace the opportunities and challenges of the digital age as we strive for a better, more inclusive tomorrow.